Mark your calendars on August 21st because it's World QR Code Day.
Would you believe me if I tell you that this simple square has changed the way the world connects? Developed by Masahiro Hara, the QR code was created to track car parts faster than traditional barcodes. From factories to smartphones, this tiny code became a bridge, linking the physical world to the digital one with just a scan. So from your morning coffee to your concert tickets and that one random cryptic poster that rickrolls you. QR codes have even started on the Super Bowl with the Coinbase QR code and hid Easter eggs in your favorite Marvel and Netflix TV shows. They've been on food packaging, cosmetics, sweepstakes promos, and even in the sky. Because why just look up when you can scan the stars? And here's something you might not know. August is a special month for QR codes. It's the birth month of QR code inventor Masahiro Hara, and it's the month QR Tiger was founded. So every August, we celebrate the tiny square that went from car parts to pop culture to connecting the whole planet. So this month, spot one, scan one, and see where it takes you. Happy World QR Code Month.